All right. Are you ready?
I will give honor and praise to Him who's taken me this far. The God of breakthroughs, I call Him Ishe. For all you've done for me, for all you do for me. Oh, 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 Ishe. Allah would be your name. You are the God of miracles, the God of signs and wonders, the God of breakthroughs. I call you Ishe.
Oh my God.
For all you've done for me, let all creation sing. Oh, 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 Ishe. Allah would be your name. So in Zimbabwe we say Ishe. Ishe. For all you've done for me, for all you do for me. Ishe, Ishe, Ishe. I give honor and praise. Oh, King of glory. Oh, hallowed be your name. You are the God of wonders, the God who heals diseases. For all you've done for us. Ishe, Ishe, Ishe. Zibidi-bidi-bidi. Oh, King of glory. Oh, hallowed be your name.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome my brother, Minister Elad Cherai.
Vakandirwira pandainetseka, mukandidzikinura, anonzi Ishe. Mukandinzvengesa, mukandiponesa, makanaka, hallowed be your name. Makava neni mukurwadziwa, mukufara munonzi Ishe. Eya! Mukandinzvengesa, mukandisimudza, mukandipfumbamira, makandichengeta. Hallowed be your name. Ishe. 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 Ah. Ishe.
For a few seconds, I just want you to put your phone in your pocket. We just want to clap for Jesus. Amen. Are you ready for that? So I'm going to teach you something. When I say we hail you, say 1, 2, 3. We hail you. We hail you. This is a time test, yeah? Okay, let's go. Beavis, help me. Step. We hail you. We hail you. We hail you. So we want to try 3 times. Let's go. We hail you. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. We hail you. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. Some are not counting. 3 times. We hail you. You don't clap on the first one. We hail you. All right, let's hail Jesus just twice. Hail Jesus. 1. Hail Jesus. All right, let's make it easier. 1, 2.